Hello everyone, it's Leigh here. I thought I'd join in Woolly Steph's 10-minute collage challenge. This is my first one today, but what I want to show you is the little book that I made. I just rustled up a quick book. That's just a masterboard, or sort of like a collage piece of A4. Cut it to that size, lined it with a page out of Daphne's diary, folded some book pages in half and bound it with some elastic. Really easy. Got a little quick video up on YouTube showing how it's done. So I thought it's good because you can I love being able to take the pages out to work on them. So this is my first one, and 10 minutes is the time limit. So I'm surrounded by stuff that I can use in my collage, so no problems there. Let's go timer. No, I want stopwatch. No, I don't want timer. So 10 minutes. Where are we? Oops, that's 11. Okay, got 10 minutes on the clock. Let's see how we go. Got my glues here. Got some really nice sort of sage coloured paper from Daphne's diary. I've been working through one particular book, trying to use up as much of it as I can, and I've been making lots of, with book pages. Been decorating them with bits that I've been cutting out of Daphne's diaries. I like the little insect. I love the challenge. Oh, I like this side of that paper too. That always happens. Never mind. Yes, I love the time limit. You don't have time to procrastinate. Just get something down and make it as cohesive as possible. So, with the book pages that I was making, I made journal tags and journal cards, a couple pockets, and I really love the way they turned out. They're just simple, like simple things, but that was all that was needed. So got that there. That I've either got that or this thing that I could use as my focal point. What else have I got here? It's nice. I like this sort of stuff. It's amazing. Like, I pull out a page out of a Daphne's diary, and when you look at the page as a whole, there doesn't seem to be much on it. But then when you start taking out little bits like this, there's little treasures all over the page, and some of them are really beautiful. That's nice. This is a nice piece too. I love the handwriting. Okay, let's get this covered. I don't think I'm going to need the 10 minutes. I'm not bragging or anything, but I find collage is so easy to complete these days compared to when I first started with the Marguerite Miller challenge. Just to hum and ha about everything. Not anymore. Okay, I've just got one little piece in the middle there, so I'll pop that in there. Don't want that colour there, that yellowy. Excuse me, a frog in my throat today. Okay, so that's got the page covered. What have we got here? The Victorian era. Going to glue that writing down the middle. I know most of it's going to be covered up, but that's okay. Okay, so I like that. So that, I think I might put that on there. What else have I got? I'm just picking at things that are right here on my desk. I love that, but it covers too much. What else is here? Oh, that's nice. Just going to put a little bit of this in because I like that colour. So perhaps here. And this one. Maybe there like that. And then perhaps this crown. What else is here? Oh, that's nice. That's actually this side of that. Okay, so let's... I like to pull things apart and then put them back together again in a different position. I don't want to cover up the bee. Let me just tear the bottom off that. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pop that there. And then I'm going to put this here. Just going to move that down a little bit lower. Take a bit more off it so I don't cover the bee up. 4 minutes left. Oh, that time goes fast. Okay, so if I do that. I'm just going to put that there. And what else can I pop in there? It's a little bit of something. Not that. Just looking for something on my desk. Maybe another piece of that. Bigger piece. With my collages for this challenge, I'm only going to use things that I get out of Daphne's diary. Okay. I think that just about does it. It's here. I don't mind that little bit of stitching. Where can I put that? There, maybe? I think that was a better place for it there. Something like that. Something down here. Alright, stop dilly-dallying and get it down. Got 1 minute and 27 to go. Okay, I'm going to call that done. I'm not using any splatters or anything like I normally do. I'm just going to leave it. Oh, you know what I'll do? Just going to go around the edge of the page with some ink. Stick a little frame around it. There we go. And I'll pop the signature back into the little book. Find the middle. Slip it back through. And I could write the date on it. Today is the 24th. It's right along the edge of the knife. 24th of the 4th, 2023. There's the time. That was good timing. Dismiss. Okay, going. What do you think? I love it. I love just the simplicity of it, and yeah, I can't wait to do some more and fill this little book up. I made it specially for this challenge. Check out the hashtag 10-minute collage, so that's the number 10, and see what the other creators have made. I watched Maggie from Waste Some Time with Maggie this morning. That's how I found out about the challenge. I didn't know about it, and I was sort of needed to do something nice and simple. So I hope you will check out that hashtag, and I'll see you again in another video. So cheers from Australia. Hooroo.